Hello guys, it is Kalila or Callie, and why is it so bright here? Hello? Whatever. It is day 17. Day 17, that golden day that I want to be my last day of knitting on this sweater. But let's see what we have, right? We have a sleeve that's not finished and a sleeve that's not started. So we have a lot to do today, okay? It is currently 11:21 a.m. I had to wake up at 3 a.m. I got like 3 hours of sleep, dropped my mom off at the airport, came back home, slept for like an hour, and then woke up to watch qualifying for Abu Dhabi for F1, then went back to sleep at 8 and woke up at 10. So my sleep is like, whoa, what did I get? How many hours? Don't know. Couldn't tell you. But for now, I feel rested enough to start knitting on this to finish the ribbing. Start and finish the ribbing. And then start and finish the sleeve. Let's get it. Alright guys, I finished a sleeve. Yay! It's currently 4:06 p.m. and
what's up y'all? I'm back at it again. I finished the sleeve and now, come on, what is it?
Now I'm about to start the second.
Now I'm about to start the second one. Also, Continental's better than English.
Obviously he doesn't know knitting. We're currently, Malik and I are about to watch Bolt. And if you know Bolt, Bolt is that movie, okay? But yeah, I'm about to start the second one. That was my little brother that took over. Every time I say little brother, people expect like a little kid, but he's like 22. But I'm 27, so he's my little brother, you know? Anyway, yeah, so time to start the second sleeve, and I want to get the sleeve done today. I'm not going to push myself too hard. Like, I didn't push myself hard when knitting this, and I felt like I went fairly quickly because I was just relaxing. So I'm gonna use the same approach with this. I'm wearing my compression gloves because I'm gonna do a lot of knitting today, and I want to prevent any potential pain and injury that could be caused by me knitting straight for hours, because I'm gonna take little breaks, okay? Little breaks. Less breaks than I usually take because I want to get this done, okay? That's what's happening. Talk later. Hello guys, this is editing me. I'm currently getting my hair retied. If you don't know what that means, I'm not explaining it. But yeah, my hair is just parted weirdly. Okay, anyway, I realized, I thought I told you guys that I stopped this project for about a week, but I didn't tell you guys. Oh my gosh, the battery's out there. Oh no, okay. I stopped it for like 5-6 days because I lost all steam. Okay, I literally could not continue going. I felt like I was going to throw up if I continued. My cup was here all the way up and it was like, ew, my battery was drained. So I paused. I explained at the end that I did a project. Okay, the battery died. I just came from getting a new one. But yeah, so Malika. Siblings just keep appearing out of nowhere. Anyway, yeah, I had no more juice in me, okay? So, my battery. Yeah, so I was very happy, this is funny, that I was able to do another project, get my motivation back, and then continue on. I think for me, yeah, knitting on fingering weight, if it's not socks, just not for me, okay? That's torture. I do not recommend. If you enjoy it, amazing. But, oh, that was just like, And you know what the good thing is? It's good that I film a week in advance for all of my stuff, so I can take a week of just chilling and still get my project done on time. Anyway, this is not even the end of the video, so continue enjoying what I've already filmed from a week ago. Okay, goodbye. Guys, I finished. Oh my god, the lighting here is horrible. But I finished. I need this lighting to be right here. Yes, can you hold that? Thank y'all. I finished the sleeve, which means I finished the entire project. Hold on. Oh, it's upside down. Here we are. The sweater is done. Okay, let's get a good look at the color work. We have the body, and then we have the sleeves. Ding. So, I am actually going to do a blocking video. I said I wasn't, but I'm going to, so that you guys can see how this transforms. But for now, I'm going to go to bed. And dude, when I tell you, it took me almost a week to pick this sweater back up after I stopped. And I did a beanie project in between. That gave me some motivation to finish this, which I'm so happy about. But anyway, my battery's dying. I'll talk to you guys in the blocking video. Goodbye. Bye.